Hello, today is Wednesday, November 24th. I'm Tracy Anderson, and let's look at some markets. So, as we're recording this, it's the day before Thanksgiving. I hope everyone has or had a special time with family and friends. Okay, so now let's look at our markets. So, first with beef, and it's hard to believe, but the day before Thanksgiving, this beef market is already topped out and heading lower. Ribeyes are done moving higher. The question will be how quickly or how slowly they'll move lower. I'm amazed we're seeing ribeyes move lower so early in the season. Also, not typical for the season is we're seeing strength in the loin, short loins and strip loins. Grinds are moving slightly lower, but I don't see that as a long-term thing. Overall, there's weakness in the beef complex. Last week's harvest was the largest of the year at 677,000 head, up from the prior week's 655,000. Briskets seem to be the only item bucking the trend of lower prices, with continued price increases. Other than that, beef is moving lower. Now we'll look at pork, and pork bellies are staying in the buy territory. Last night's close was $123, up just slightly from last week's $121. Harvest each week is growing just a bit, though we are still well behind last year's numbers. Loins and butts continue to be a great value. On over to chicken, and chicken continues to move lower as well. Production numbers are holding up, keeping up with demand on fresh. I haven't mentioned further processed guys in a few weeks, and really nothing much has changed. It's a labor issue, number one, and that's not quickly remedied. We will see chicken move higher as the weather turns colder, but I think we have a few weeks yet. And on to grains, corn closed at $5.90, up from last week's $5.85. I said last week I had not seen any indications we were heading back over to $6 corn. Well, on further review, we may get there. So with wheat moving higher, corn will stay up there as well. Speaking of wheat, still moving higher, so if you are a big flour user, stay ahead of your demand or you could get caught short. And finally, we'll look at dairy. A quick look at as of Thursday, barrel is up 5, block is up 12, and butter is up 1. Expect this market to continue to be a roller coaster for a couple of weeks. Okay, with that, I'm done. Thanks for listening. Have a great Thanksgiving, and we'll do it again next week.